Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a zip file? A zip file is a special type of computer file that acts like a digital container. Imagine you have many documents, photos, or folders that you want to keep together. Instead of sending or saving them one by one, you can put them all inside a single zip file. This makes it much easier to manage and organize your data. Zip files are widely used in technology because they help keep things neat and tidy, especially when dealing with lots of files. In the next scene, we'll see how files are compressed into a zip folder. Now let's see how files are compressed into one zip folder. When you select multiple files and compress them, the computer packs them tightly into a single zip file. This process is called compression. It reduces the total size of your files, making them easier to store and faster to transfer. Think of it like putting clothes into a suitcase. Everything fits neatly and you can carry it all at once. This is especially useful when you have to send large files over the internet or save space on your device. Next, we'll look at the main benefits of using zip files. Files offer several important benefits. First, they help you upload files much faster because the total size is smaller. Second, zip files save valuable storage space on your computer or cloud drive. Third, sharing becomes super easy. You just send one zip file instead of many separate files. These advantages make zip files a favorite tool for students, professionals, and anyone who works with digital documents. In the next scene, we'll explore some practical examples of where zip files are used in everyday life. Files are used in many practical situations. For example, when you send documents by email, you can compress them into a zip file to make the process quicker and more reliable. Software developers often use zip files to package programs for download. In the world of artificial intelligence, large datasets are shared as zip files to save time and bandwidth. Zip files are also perfect for creating backups of important data, so you can restore everything easily if needed. Now let's see a simple demo of how to create a zip file on your computer. Let's do a quick demo. To create a zip file, simply select the files or folders you want to compress. Then right-click and choose the Send to Zip or Compress to Zip option. Your computer will instantly create a new zip file containing all your selected items. This method works on most computers and is very easy to use. Now you know what zip files are, why they are important, and how you can use them in your daily digital life. Thanks for watching.